Hi guys, and this is the original Rudegal for this look on day 3 of my 365 challenge. I am demonstrating and trying to use all the colors in the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. So make sure you subscribe and click the link below, or subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification, hit thumbs up, because we are going to go on a journey. I'm going to try to show you as many diverse looks to do with this palette. Also, if you haven't already done so and you want to hear more about what's going on in this transitional year of mine, make sure you subscribe to RudegyalCommentary. The link will be also in the description box below. Comment. How is your New Year's going so far? Have you made resolutions? Did you give up on resolutions? Are you fearful of the upcoming year, or are you optimistic? I hope to, on the Rudegal Commentary channel, to give you inspiration and optimism for the upcoming year, because even though in our life we may feel like the world is going out of control, hey, we are still in control of ourselves. So let me inspire you. And again, stay tuned. 365 channel video for beauty featuring the Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Divinity palette. I don't get me wrong. I will come back with a whole 30-day playlist and give you my final thoughts at the end of the month as far as how I feel about the palette. I already have my ideas and everything, but like I said, this right now is a challenge to myself to see if I can come up with 30 distinctive looks, not all the same, with this palette, and I aim to do so. So again, it's the original Rudegal making videos this year every day. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, RudegyalCommentary, where you'll find out where this year is taking me. Again, I'll see you later.